Pimburaththewa Lake, also known as Pimburattewa Tank, is one of Sri Lanka's most popular tourist spots. Polonnaruwa district's Aralaganwila has Pimburaththewa Lake. It is well liked by the locals as a swimming location. Beautiful vistas of the Polonnaruwa district's lush green trees surround the lovely lake. Pimburaththewa Lake is the perfect location to take a bath if you're visiting Polonnaruwa. The Pimburaththewa Tank is primarily recognized by its lake's water spill design. The water spill is made up of a lot of triangles. There are more than 5 water spills with triangle designs. It is a must-see location when in Polonnaruwa. Although it is not a waterfall like the one in Polonnaruwa, it appears to be a collection of waterfalls. If you plan to visit Pimburaththewa Tank, you should exercise caution. Elephants frequently wander the region in search of water. Because elephants frequently emerge in the evening, exercise caution when bathing at this lake. The beauty of this is also accessible during the wet season. However, it's important to use caution when bathing in the rainy season. One of the best places to see the sunset is at Pimburaththewa Lake. Therefore, if you're in Polonnaruwa, try to have fun. If you plan to visit Pimburaththewa Tank, you should exercise caution. Elephants frequently wander the region in search of water. Because elephants frequently emerge in the evening, exercise caution when bathing at this lake. The beauty of this is also accessible during the wet season. However, it's important to use caution when bathing in the rainy season. Pimburaththewa Lake is a fantastic location to view the setting sun. Therefore, if you're at Polonnaruwa, try to have fun. Piburaththawa location. Pimburaththewa Lake is in Aralaganwila, Polonnaruwa district. The Buauti Dam is approximately 10 kilometers away from Pimburaththewa Lake. So, it is easiest to search on Google Maps and reach Piburaththawa in Sri Lanka location. How to reach Pimburaththewa Lake. Travel along the Maradankadawala Habarana, Tirukondaya Dimadu Highway from Polonnaruwa. Then drive along the Manampitia Aralaganwila Maduru Oya Road and reach Aralaganwila. Reach the Pimburaththewa Tank. Pimburaththewa Tank history. The Pimburaththewa Lake constructed under the project of Mahaweli Authority, Sri Lanka. The reservoir constructed to provide water for farming in the Aralaganwila area. Also, there is a holiday bungalow in Pimburaththewa by Mahaweli Authority, Sri Lanka. If you are interested in staying overnight, please check Pimburaththewa Mahaweli Holiday Bungalow. Things to consider. It is necessary to take precautionary measures if you are visiting Pimburaththewa Tank. Commonly, elephants roam in the area to drink water. Therefore, be cautious when bathing in this lake, as it is common for elephants to appear in the evening. Also, you can experience the beauty of this during the rainy season. But it is necessary to be careful when bathing during the rainy season. The Pimburaththewa Lake is a great place to watch the sunset. So, if you are in Polonnaruwa, try to enjoy your evening. Keep in touch with Sri Lanka Tourism with Heen Mama YouTube channel.